Hi viewers, my name is Hayatullah, and in this video I'm trying to explain you that how we can make a free classified website. I will be using Osclass script, which is absolutely free. You can get a free themes and free plugins for your need. Let me show you my website that I have made with Osclass. www.classifyhub.com. This is my website. As you can see, this is for the UAE user. Many ads have been posted by the user. As you can see, this is 1 year old website, and I also have a subdomain which is for the Canadian and American users. But as this is a new website, so only one post have been posted by the user, as you can see here. But apart from that, if you see my older website, it has many ads in it by the user. For sale, you can see here 360, and if you go to the service, 350. If you go to the electronics, 17. If you go to vehicles, 250. Okay, so this is a quite beautiful theme that I am using. This is a paid theme, but in Osclass you can get lots of free themes and plugins for your website. Okay, so in this video, this is a first video, so I will just introduce you to the Osclass. That what is Osclass, what is Osclass offering. In the next few videos I will show you that how we can install the Osclass and how we can use the Osclass theme and plugins into our website. I will try my best to explain you in very easy way rather than in a difficult way. So let's hope for the best that I will be able to show you, and I will be able to explain you that in easy way that how we can make our website using Osclass. I just show you my website because you get some idea that what is classified site, and how it's look like in Osclass by using Osclass. Okay, so this has been made by myself in Osclass, and the same experience I will share with you. Okay, so this is, let me show you the Osclass website. This is the Osclass website. Okay, here you can see this is their market view. So if we go to the home, here you can see that they are offering the free download. Okay, this is a live demo, this is a download. Okay, so if you go to that website, you will see by yourself the live demo. But before you go to the live demo, before you go to the Osclass website, you should watch all my videos carefully, which will guide you that how you can make a website in easy way with Osclass. As this is my first video, so I will only introduce you about the Osclass platform. Okay, so if you go to the let me show you. If you go to the market, okay, if you go to the market, in the market they are offering free and paid plugins and as well themes. Okay, so here we can see that lots of themes are just for paid themes, but if you go to general, here you will see, suppose let's see, this is the page 1. I will click on the page 4 and you will see that oh sorry, I have clicked on the premium themes. I should click on the all themes. Here you can see that let's see and click on the 7 page, because there are a bunch of paid themes and also free themes here. Here you can see that we have 3 themes in general and 1 theme per $400 amount. Okay, so some of the theme are just for paid purpose and some are just for free. Okay, the same is with the plugins. If you go to the plugins, okay, so many are just for buying and lots of just for free also. Not on first page, because on first page they are trying to show you the paid plugins and the paid themes, but if you go to the last pages, they will also offer you the free plugins. Here you can see this is the free plugins, this is the pre plugins, this is the pre plugins. So this is their they are doing all this for just to get some earning. That's why they keep the paid themes and paid plugins on the first page and free themes and plugins at last. So this is just a overview about the themes and the plugins and the Osclass. That what is this? What is this Osclass, and what is Osclass offering? But if you go to my next videos, in these videos, I will show you the practical in a practical way. I will show you in a practical way that how you can use these themes, plugins in Osclass, and how you can use Osclass by making your website. Okay, so for today this is enough. In the next video I will show you that how we can install and how we can use Osclass. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel and to get some more videos, upcoming videos in concern with the same subject. So take care, see ya.